The much-awaited opening of the Crowborough Hotel is happening soon in the city. The hotel, which has been under much controversy for the past 3 decades, is finally wearing a new look with a new name attached to it. Finally, the Taj Vivanta, under the Indian Hotels Company Limited and headed by Puneet Chhatwal, will be formally inaugurated on the 14th of October 2022. As per earlier information, the hotel was supposed to have been opened in September this year, but due to a few more infrastructural necessities, as per the Taj Group of Hotels, the Vivanta will now be inaugurated in the month of October this year. This is Meghalaya's first five-star hotel that aims to fulfill the long-pending need of luxurious accommodation in the heart of Shillong city.
No, I don't think we'll be waiting for the president because, as I said, it's a number one. It's a private property in one way. I mean, it's government, but it's privately run, so it may not be appropriate for President of India to come in and inaugurate that. And plus, the time also is going, so we would need to set up these hotels fast because we have a large number of activities coming up in Shillong, and we need the accommodations for that. So we may not be able to wait for that.